All right, John, we're here for you.
Okay.
Get her out there.
Yeah, I'm old man John with Outline News. And as many of you know, I was assaulted by the Dart Police, Dallas Area Rapid Transit, and I need an attorney. I have already filed suit just because I needed to, on the statute of limitations, I needed to not let the statutes toll. And so I've got, I think, a very good suit, but I need an attorney to handle it. I cannot handle this myself. And I'm going to open up a GoFundMe account and get enough money to get a retainer to get an attorney to handle this. And I need to get it done pretty quick.
Okay, and I can speak as his counselor and therapist that this is 100% real. John was 76 years old when this assault happened. So when assaulting a grandfather or anybody else is not beyond them. They have a history of wanting to do this. They have not had a significant punishment to change their behavior, and we're hoping this will be the one that'll keep your grandparents or anybody in your family from being assaulted by this group of people.
Yeah, and I'll keep everybody up to date on this as it goes. You know, but I've got to get an attorney, and I have to get one quick because I have some deadlines coming up. And right now, without money for an attorney to take it on, none of them will take it on contingency. That I've got to pay the full bill. And being retired for 9 years, I just don't have the money. So I really need help.
All right. And I'm here to support John. As you know, every once in a while there's a case out there, and I ask for the people that support us to help. And this is one of them. John's been in the court before, and he's always handled himself and his own money, his own time. But this one he can't do by himself financially. You know, he's retired on a fixed income. So, and Dart needs to be put down in the court. They've been abusing people for a long time. We've seen it with other auditors, and nobody's been able to get to stop them because nobody's really gone to court. This is a case that I think is very important and should be proceed through the courts. And so I'm supporting him, and I'm asking others to support him.
And I'm going to carry this all the way through. You know, it's just, I'm not going to stop. There's been people besides me that have been injured, people arrested. You know, they just, they don't like accountability. And the thing that I believe is that if they don't have to pay anything, they're going to continue. So what we need to do is to, in this suit, we'll do it, is to get enough money from them that they're not going to do it again.
Yeah, and we got to stop them from, if they
have one promise.
And we got to do something, because you're like my grandpa, and you're retired and you're disabled, and you're obviously that you were disabled. If they'll beat up grandpa, they'll beat up your wife, your sister, your daughter. They'll beat up anybody, and it's got to stop.
And their behavior as a professional, their overall behavior is that of a sociopath, where they think they're above the law and they'll just do what they want when they want to suit their own personal needs. This has to stop.